Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hi Ankita, welcome to IWM Buzz. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having me.
So what's happening? What is keeping you busy these days? Where is Ankita?
Ankita is very free these days. She's just had a good trip to Malaysia, which I'm sure मेरे followers को तो पता होगा. And not much, yeah. Actually, just waiting on a good project to be back on television.
Okay, so is she like? Are you really missing to be back on television?
I am. You know, there are days जैसे कल ही मुझे लग रहा मैं अपनी एक friend को बोल रही थी कि I want to shoot, I want to, act. I mean, dancing keeps me busy most of the times, but that's only, just to keep yourself busy. But otherwise, yes, I do miss acting and I do miss playing a character which happens in television.
Okay, nice. So like what that you recently did Swabhiman also. So usme like what did you learn or anything that is specifically you missing?
The family. I think we all bonded so well on Swabhiman कि वो भी मेरी family बन चुकी है. I miss them. I miss being on set with them. But otherwise, we keep meeting. We meet every week we have one get together.
Okay, so your fans were really waiting, I guess, आपसे बात करने के लिए. So we'll take their question. So सबसे पहले your fan page Ankita Dreamland, they are saying hello. How are you? How is your feeling that you've reached 900k fan jam?
Thank you so much. I'm good. Sorry, I'm good. How are you? And yes, I do feel blessed, and because I know where I started from. I know all these followers, all the increase that happened over time. I know it's all very genuine, and I know they are real people who. Because I do a lot of that, I get back to people. I'm used to checking my inbox, my messages. So I know they're all genuine people who love watching my posts. So अच्छा लगता है कि मैं, I get a lot of messages that say, sorry Ankita Dreamland मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं है.
But थोड़ा elaborate कर रही हूँ. People say that my posts put smiles on their faces, and I think it's a very good feeling. So I'm happy to have a family of 9 lakh people now.
Nice. Okay, Jyoti is saying that after a long time you'll finally come online or on live chat. So thank you so much.
How sweet. Welcome. Actually, no, not after a long time, but yes, they're not very interactive, so an interactive one.
Okay, so Saurav is asking, are you missing your co-star Sangeeta?
Yes, I miss her a lot, and right now she's having fun in Armenia, but as soon as she's back, हम फिर से मिलेंगे. हम तो मिलते रहते हैं.
Okay. Ayan Khanna is saying, hello, you're looking very gorgeous today.
Hi Ayan, thank you so much.
Okay, Netaki is saying that are you planning to join Bollywood anytime soon?
So in my life, I didn't even plan to be an actress. It just happened. I just keep going with the flow. I do have a lot of passion for acting and dancing. So if something good comes my way, so why not? Who would mind being a Bollywood actor?
Okay, Mrinal is asking, are you looking forward to do some more stuff this year?
Yes, of course, but a good one, because Swabhiman I feel was a very good show. It was a very sensible show. तो मैं जो भी नेक्स्ट करना चाहती हूँ वो उस लेवल का या फिर उससे भी अच्छा करना चाहूँगी. That's the whole weight.
Okay. Ashi is saying, hi Ankita, wanted to know what motivates you in life.
What motivates me? I think I only look at my parents and I see how much they want me to do well. That's the biggest motivation I get to work even harder towards my life.
Okay, Rishu is saying that are you planning to visit Chandigarh anytime soon?
No, actually my family is visiting me this time. हर बार मैं जाती हूँ तो इस बार मेरे पापा वहाँ आ रहे हैं, so I'm looking forward to that. But Chandigarh will happen.
Okay, a fan page of yours is requesting you to be back on the Punjabi TV, like Punjabi shows or movies.
Okay, yes, that is something I really want to do because I'm a hardcore Punjabi and very enthusiastic about my Punjabi culture, the dance forms, everything. But TV happened to me earlier, so इसीलिए यहाँ आ गई हूँ. But yes, in future if I get like a good film or something, I would love to do.
Okay, Isha wants to know who supports you more in your life.
My parents, they're my biggest support. I think coming from Punjab, it means a lot. I think all the Punjabi people would understand that you know इस टाइम के लिए बहुत सारी myths है लोगों की. Myths भी नहीं कह सकते, कहीं ना कहीं सच्चाई भी है, but अच्छा नहीं मानते हैं बहुत. उस सब के बीच में भी my parents have always wanted for me to become an actor, which is I think huge. So
Yeah.
they are my biggest support.
Okay, beautiful Ankita, a fan page of yours is asking, when are you coming back on television? By the way, we are really excited for Salam Namaste.
Even I'm excited for Salam Namaste because it's looking so good. मैंने और साहिल ने बहुत मजे किए and I think it will show in the episodes and you're going to enjoy it. And about coming back to television, as I said, I think I've done a good show, I've done a sensible show and a good character. So I'm just waiting on a good project, something which is as good. तो मुझे जब भी मिलेगा, जब भी कुछ आएगा, I am dying to be back, yeah.
Okay, Suma is asking that what is the one thing that you like about this industry?
About the industry, what do I like? I think there are so many things which are like not so likable about the industry. तो मैं सोचना पड़ रहा है, what do I like? I think the attention that actors get because of being popular, they are so likable to the normal audience. I think that is one trait that I would say I like.
Okay, Ankita, forever fan page of yours is asking, who are you closest in your family?
I think my mama. I share everything with her. Everything. Like मतलब इस लाइफ से पहले भी एक मेरी फोन कॉल हुई कि इसके बाद भी सबसे पहली फोन कॉल मुझसे हुई. So I think I'm closest to her.
Okay, Anandita is asking that can we expect a Swabhiman season 2 anytime soon?
I have no answers for this. I'm done with answering to all those questions because nothing is happening. No Swabhiman 2 is happening. I don't want you to, you know, actually expect a season 2. It is not happening, guys. So if you really miss the show, you can watch it on Rishte. It's airing there. Yeah.
Okay, a fan is asking, what kind of bond do you share with your Swabhiman co-actors?
I think a lovely bond, and I think if you're a Swabhiman fan, आपको पता होगा हम लोग कितने close हैं. I think we are really close, all four of us, and the other teammates also, like Prachi ma'am, Suchitra ma'am. Everybody is very close. It's like a family involvement.
Okay, Pankaj Bhandari is asking, who's your favorite Hollywood actor?
I'll be very honest. I'm not someone who will fake it. I don't watch English films. I don't watch English films. I'm a full-on like a Bollywood freak. Yeah, they see. And Hollywood, it's not very funny, but Hollywood, वही जो मेरे friends बोलते हैं यार ये movie नहीं देखी तूने ये तो देख. So you know, few films I've seen. I hope to remember. It's such a nice romantic film. वो किसी ने बचपन में दिखाती थी. So very few films. I don't know if I should be embarrassed of it. I am not. But Hollywood actor जो मैंने देखी हैं I've seen very few films to, you know, call someone my favorite. So let's.
Okay, Kajal wants to know what's your nickname or pet name, whatever घर पे जो भी बुलाते हैं.
Uncle. I don't like it.
Okay, Pankaj is asking, what's your favorite? Who's the inspiration in your life? Who inspires you?
If I talk, I mean, I told you that motivation is my parents, and inspiration, I think Madhuri would be the answer because she's always inspired me to, you know, do better in terms of my art.
Okay, Sangeeta is also watching the live and she's saying, "मेरी cuteness की दुकान."
How sweet! Thank you. कब वापस आए हो और मेरे जाके बैठ गए हो?
Okay, how was your experience on the sets of Swabhiman and Lajwanti both? Which show is closest to your hearts?
Oh, that's a tough one. That's a very tough one. Experience तो दोनों में बहुत प्यारा था. स्वाभिमान में मैं कुछ सीख कर आई थी. लाजवंती में I was a raw actor, you know. I didn't know what the close shot is. I didn't know what a master shot is. So I was the most like the blank actress, you can say. क्योंकि मैं बोलती थी अच्छा मास्टर ऐसे होता है, अच्छा ये दोबारा करना पड़ता है और ये ओएस होता है। तो लाजवंती मेरे लिए उन टर्म्स में बहुत स्पेशल था, क्योंकि फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, यू नो, चाहे स्पैन छोटा था बट मेरे लिए इट मीन्स अ लॉट बिकॉज दैट इज द शो दैट गॉट मी टू मुंबई फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़. सो आई थिंक इट ऑलवेज बी वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. But Swabhiman also, I think, is the show that got me recognition. Yeah, as you know, people, जितने भी लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो स्वाभिमान से जानते हैं. तो हाँ, मतलब स्वाभिमान भी बहुत.
Okay, Neelu is asking what type of character are you looking forward to? Like you want to do which type of character?
Oh, so since my last was Naina, was very like too innocent for this role. I would, as an actor, though, I want to do a lot of things, but you know, since they typecast people, you can't do everything. You know, क्योंकि आप लीड कर चुके होते हो, तो लोग आपको वही प्यारे अच्छे, you know, गुडी रोल्स में देखना चाहते हैं. तो as a lead only, if I get to do a grey shade, oh my god, I would love to.
Okay, Shri is asking, tell us about your worst situation you go through while you're shooting.
So this was during Rajwanti. I wasn't used to working so hard. I didn't know when I used to watch television as a viewer. मतलब हमारे लिए क्या था, 20 मिनट का एपिसोड, खा रहे हो, ऐड आती है, फिर आता है. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि वो लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हैं उन एपिसोड्स के लिए. So during Rajwanti, since it was a show which had a lot of drama and India, Pakistan, partition, whatnot. There I had to do a 48-hour shoot without any naps. I think that's the maximum I've done. And you know, वो एक ऐसा टाइम आ गया था कि यार मुझे चंडीगढ़ वापस जाना है. I've cried on phone, मम्मा मुझे नहीं ये करना. But obviously I've regretted it. ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते मुझे ये करना है. But yeah, that was the toughest phase, I guess.
Isha wants to know your beauty secret.
I don't know. I don't do much. I won't lie कि मैं ये करती हूँ, मैं तो क्या गुलाब जल लगाती हूँ. I don't do much. I am a junk eater, so I can't even. I don't know. I think I'm
Wow, very nice. Okay, Ankita, Forever fan page is asking, if you ever get a chance to do bungee jumping, will you try? I guess you tried, right?
It wasn't bungee jumping. It was, what is it called? I forgot that. Also going from one tree to another. वो पूरा zip lining. Zip lining I did.
Perfect.
Bungee jumping, even during zip lining, I was telling Sahil कि ये तो कर लिया, bungee jumping नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm scared of heights, I'm scared of water. I'm such a dirtbag soul. But water तो मैंने curb कर लिया because हम almost गिर गए थे jet ski करते वक्त. But वो नहीं हो पाएगा because bungee jumping में आपको एकदम ऐसे छोड़ देते हैं यार. So I think, I don't know. If I get a chance, I will try, but I doubt if I'll be able to do it.
Okay, and a fan page is asking, will you ever do Big Boss or Jhalak, any reality show?
I'm open for it. Let's see if it comes my way. Obviously, Jhalak I would love to because I have a dancing career. And since my dancing is all, you know, Indian,
yes.
I would love to learn other forms also. And I think Jhalak is one platform where I've seen people actually learn all kinds of forms. Big Boss, I'm not so sure. I think it's not for me.
Okay, we'll play a fun game with you. So these are the English translations of the Hindi songs, and you have to guess these Hindi songs.
Achha.
ठीक है? So first one is, oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind. अगर आपकी किसी फैन ने मदद की तो मैं आपकी हेल्प कर, मैं बता दूंगी.
Okay. Oh this night.
Oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind. It's an old.
ये रातें, ये मौसम.
Wow. Very nice. Okay, the other one is, day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
I told you
are
I'm a
good at
Bollywood
songs.
kid.
You are good at songs and dance both. Okay, the other one is, what happened to your promise, that vow, that belief, the day my heart forgets you will be the last day of my life.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा.
अब फैंस को मदद ही नहीं करते. मदद करने के मौका ही
But
नहीं
these are like my favorite songs यार. मैं पुराने गाने भी बहुत सुनती हूँ जिनको लगता है मैं सिर्फ पंजाबी सुनती हूँ. मेरे लाइफ में भी ऐसा टाइम आता है जब मैं पुराने गाने सुनती हूँ. And I think बचपन से my parents listen to a lot of retro, so I know these songs.
Okay, the other one is every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
Again.
Every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is.
क्या याद नहीं आ रहा. हर घड़ी बदल रही है जिंदगी. Okay, next.
Very nice. Okay, the other one is your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words. Your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words. बाप रे, मेरे सारे क्वेश्चन फेल हो रहे हैं. Okay, अब मैं थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट वाला पूछती हूँ. Think there is a city of ponds. We would have a house on waves. The sweet dreams we have seen all comes true.
What?
Think there is a city of ponds. We would have a house on waves. मुझे अपने क्वेश्चन हटा देने चाहिए.
गलत हो रहा है, but गाने
नहीं सही है ये, ऐसा ही है
क्यों नहीं?
हाँ. सोचो कि झीलों का शहर हो, ऐसा ही है. Me?
Yeah.
Oh my God. God, you
Knowledge
sing
सही
it.
है.
Okay, the last one is forget me, goodbye to you. You have to live without me. Forget me, goodbye to you. You have to live without me. It's not difficult, I guess. Maybe सिर्फ 2 ही लाइन है इसलिए. हाँ.
नहीं, forget me,
Goodbye to you.
अभी देखो
You have to. हाँ यार, मदद करो. ओके, आपकी फैन पेज ने हेल्प कर दिया. बुला देना मुझे है अलविदा तुझे, ये वाला गाना. ओके, सो आपके फैंस रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि कैन यू डांस ऑन द सॉन्ग दारू बदनाम. It's a very famous right now.
Guys, this is the frame.
No, not right now, but then in your dance videos.
But I've already danced to
Okay,
it. Yeah,
done it.
scroll down. See my
Please see on the Insta page. She has already done.
Yeah.
So they have requested if you can sing right now.
I can't. I really can't. I wish I could.
See, आपकी आवाज की तारीफ भी कर रहे हैं बहुत सारे लोग.
क्या बात है? दारू बदनाम नहीं होता.
No, whatever you like. जिसके भी आपको लिरिक्स आते हैं या फिर जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है.
छोड़ो यार, नहीं होगा.
गा लो यार. चलो हम दोनों गाते हैं.
आप बहुत प्यारा गाते. चलो गाओ.
हाँ, हम दोनों गाते हैं ना. आप एक गाना चूज करो, हम दोनों गाते हैं.
इनमें से कोई सुन लो.
तो यही ले लेते हैं. ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा. इतना ही आता है मुझे.
ठीक है ना.
हम दोनों गा दिया हमने सबके लिए, दोनों ने मिलके. ओके, your fans are saying that please come soon on like TV. We really miss you. So आपको you have to gear up for that. So Queen Ankita fan page is asking कि are you a football fan and are you watching the World Cup?
I've never been actually, but this time because all my football friends who are football lovers, they are telling me कि इस बार तो बहुत ही interesting है और unpredictable चीजें हो रही हैं. So the last 2-3 matches I guess I watched, but I'm just learning to see मतलब क्या चाहिए ऐसे होता है ऐसा. But yes, जितना मैंने देखा I've enjoyed, so I think I'm going to watch a few more.
Okay. Anushka is asking, what is your favorite cuisine?
Chinese. I love Chinese.
Okay. Any movie are you planning to watch? Riya is asking.
Planning to watch?
Yeah.
I am watching actually. Last night I watched half of it, which is Dum Laga Ke Harsha. मैंने वो फिल्म नहीं देखी थी.
Okay.
And I enjoyed it so much. Tonight I'm going to finish.
Okay. When will you come to Ahmedabad? सब आपको अपने अपने घर में मतलब अपने अपने शहर में बुला रहे बेसिकली.
अहमदाबाद एक्चुअली एक दो बार हुआ भी कुछ इवेंट के सिलसिले में, बट मतलब फाइनली नहीं हो पाया. So I want to come there. I've not been to Gujarat. Yeah, no. So let's see. जब भी बुलाए भगवान.
Okay, Sarita wants to know जो आप डांस वीडियोस बनाते हैं वो आप लाइक वो आइडिया कहाँ से आया?
वो आइडिया नहीं आया तो बचपन से मैं before getting into acting I used to do a lot of dancing and that too I'm not a trained dancer. I want to tell this for once and for all that I'm not a trained dancer but I have this dancing kid. I love to dance and so I used to do a lot of dancing in my school time, college time and even in Chandigarh a lot of dance competitions I used to participate in. तो वहीं से था. फिर जब इवेंचुअली मैं अपने एक्टिंग वर्ल्ड में एंटर की तो आई यूज्ड टू मौका ढूंढते आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट डांसिंग एंड आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग इनिशियली आई रिमेंबर. फिर मैंने 1-2 वीडियोस डाले एंड पीपल लव दोज वीडियोस. आई मीन माय पीपल जिनको भी मेरे जो फॉलोअर्स थे उन्हें बहुत अच्छे लगे एंड इवेंचुअली दोज वीडियोस स्टार्टेड गोइंग वायरल इन ऑल इन पंजाब. So yeah, then it became kind of a responsibility to drop a video every now and then. Yeah.
Okay. Riddhi is asking, do you like any superhero?
Flag Jack. No, crazy. No, that's not my answer.
Sense of humor बहुत अच्छा आपका.
Thank you so much. But नहीं यार, not really. वो वाले मतलब जॉनर में मैं कभी गई नहीं तो ये एक्साइटेड नहीं हूँ इससे.
ओके, अंकिता शर्मा ऑब्सेस्ड एक फैन पेज है वो पूछ रहे हैं दैट एनी मेमोरेबल इंसिडेंट हैपेंड बिटवीन यू एंड योर सिस्टर आंचल दी.
So many memorable incidents and not so memorable also. कल ही मैं अपनी एक फ्रेंड को बता रही थी कि हमारी फाइट्स इतनी खतरनाक भी रही मेरी और मेरी बहन की. I don't know if she'd like it, but I'm saying it. You know, we had a small argument. She's got that destructive nature. She was a medical student, so she had this botany book, इतना बड़ी वाली. She threw it at me and it hit me here.
Oh.
And suddenly there was like blood all around. She's broken my nose का bone. मतलब crack हो गया था. Just imagine 2 sisters fighting like
shit.
So ये memory बनी. Otherwise yes, I know we share a lot of memories. I think जब घर से बाहर आई मतलब मुंबई रहने लगी I realized that having a sibling is the best thing because हम दोनों एक रूम शेयर करते थे तो दोनों का दिन कैसा निकला. एंड में रात को we used to share things with each other. आज ये वो. So yes, so many memorable things.
Okay, one more fan page is asking, how were you as a child?
I wanted to be less. Okay. What was the question?
How were you as a child? मतलब मस्तीखोर, prankster.
Initially, even I'm amazed at it, but my parents say like I was the most voodoo child ever. In so many schools, I didn't get admission because in good schools they used to interview the child. Interview as in just see how interactive he or she is, and they'll ask me everything, and I would be like silent. और मुझे भी वो बिलीव नहीं होता क्योंकि मैं इतना बोल रही हूँ. But yes, this was the initial phase of my childhood. Eventually, I think I became more active. And, yeah.
Okay, Rahul is asking, how do you unwind yourself when you're not working?
Unwind myself. See, I don't keep myself free at all. I know initially in this live session I said कि आजकल तो बहुत free हूँ but मैं अपने को free नहीं रखती हूँ. I like it's always good to keep yourself busy and actor is like it's a strange profession because when you're working a lot, but when you're not working you're like मैं क्या करूँ. So I don't keep myself free. I'll travel, I'll do things. I know मैं वेली बैठ ही नहीं सकती हूँ तो मैं चीजें करती रहती हूँ. डांस I do it very seriously. If I have to make a dance video, that's my work, that's my job for that moment. So yeah, I always keep myself busy. It can be just entertainment also. Go for movies, have fun, friends के साथ meeting sessions. It's good to always keep yourself busy.
Okay, so few fan pages and few people also, they were asking that any suggestion for those who want to become an actor?
Of course. One important thing, because I'm getting this chance, so I would reach out to all of you who are aspiring actors and tell you, you know, मैं शुरू में सोचती थी, being from Chandigarh, I used to think यार finally तो वो वहीं से लेते होंगे ना लोग, या finally तो जिनकी थोड़ी पहुंच है या सिफारिश है उनका ही होता होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. If you have it in you, it will be valued. It could happen much later. वो हो सकता है क्योंकि आजकल बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, तो हो सकता है रियल टैलेंट को थोड़ा टाइम लग जाए एस्टैब्लिश होने में, बट it can't go unseen and unnoticed for sure. So I think keep at it. Passion को मत जाने दो, बस hard work करो, आएगा.
Okay, finally we'll take a message for all your fans over here to chat with you and spend some time with you.
Message would be that thank you so much for Sham. I think I always say that, but तुम्हें भी लगता होगा सेम चीज बोलती रहती. But it really means a lot, you know. I'm not there on television right now, but the constant support, especially to all my fan pages, you are amazing. How can you like dedicate a full account to someone and be so active on it? I'm sure you spend a lot of many hours of your day on that, on creating edits and all. Thank you for all the love. It means a lot, and I value all that love. And I promise that I'll also keep you all entertained. I'm sure मैं करके रखती हूँ. So yeah, keep that love coming, and hopefully I'll be back soon in terms of acting. But I'm here as of now to entertain you, to be there for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We had a lovely time.
Even I had a lovely time.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.